Hi students, hope you are fine. Welcome to my channel. This is the third video of Django tutorial in which we'll talk all about module, how to implement module, what is module in Django, how to implement that, how to make migration on the specific model, and how to migrate that model to a specific database. And these are the issue in which we will discuss in this video. But careful, before going to practice, the theoretical part is also included in this video. First of all, we have to discuss in theoretical part of the module, then practice. Django model. In Django, model is a class which is used to contain essential fields and methods. Each model class maps to a single database and a single table in the database. Django model is a subclass of Django.db.models.model. Means Django.db.models.model is the parent class of model in Django, and each field of the model class represents a database field. Django provides us a database abstraction API, application programming interface, which lets us to create, retrieve, update and delete records from the map table. Model is defined in models.py in your file in your application. This file can contain multiple models. Means in your application, models.py file can contain models in which we can implement more than one modules. Means we can implement several models here in models.py file. Let's see an example of model. Here we are creating model employee which has two attributes, which has two fields, first name and last name. From Django.db import models. This is the base class of model. This is the class keyword which is compulsory when you are going to create a specific model in Django. This is your module name employee, which is inherited from the base class models.model. This is the attributes of module. First name and last name are the attributes of your module. This is the type. Which type? First name is char field. This is the char field, and this is also char field. And char field is a function which is implemented and defined in the models class. Maximum length. This is the field attribute, which should not be, the field name should not be lengthier than 30 characters. Means the first name should not be more than 30 characters, and the last name also. The first name and the last name fields are specified as a class attributes, and each attribute maps to a database column. This model will create a table in the database that looks like below. Means once we took a migration, make migration keywords and that, then our module will automatically convert in the migration file like this. The created table contains an auto created ID field. The name of the table is a combination of app name and module name that can be changed further. Our module name will convert like this: your application name plus your module name. Register, use module. To register your module, then go to your setting.py file and install app part and register your app name here. Django model fields. The fields defined inside the model class are the column name of the map table. The field name should not be a Python reserved words like clean, save, or delete etc. Django provides various built-in field types like auto field, which is used in it's an integer field that automatically increment one by one. Auto big field, big integer field, boolean field, date time field, decimal field, duration field, email field, file field, float field, image field, integer field, null boolean field, positive integer field, small integer field, text field, time field, and so on. These are used for a specific purpose. Field options. Each field requires some argument that are used to set column attribute. For example, char field requires max length attribute to specify varchar database. Means max length specify how much a name should be lengthier, how much character should be taken by name or last name or father name, whatever. Common argument available to all fields type all are optional, like this. Null is a field options through which we can set null into the database column. Blank is also we can remain blank field in the database. Default by which we can set default value in the database field. Help text field is the extra help text field to be displayed. Primary key by which we can make a relationship between multiple fields in the different table. Unique field by which we can unique a field in the table. Django model example. We created model student that contain the following code and the model.py. We have mentioned that we can create or implement model in the models.py file. This is the keyword which is compulsory to create a model in the Django. This is what? This is nothing but your module name, which is inherited from this class models.model. Means models.model is the parent class of every model in Django. These are the attributes: first name, last name, contact, email, and age. This is the model class in which defined a char field function, and this is the max length. How much should be first name length here? 20 character, and the last name should be 30 character, not more than 30 character. An email field should be 50 character, and so on. Once we create a specific model in the Django, then the following command is used to make migration on that. This command is used to make migration. Let's see practical task. First of all, go to your setting.py and register your app or your model here. What is my app name? My app. Then save it, then close it. Go to your app and models models.py because we are implementing model in models.py file. This is the base class models, which is imported from Django.db. Means model class is inside the Django.db class. Create your model here, class student models.model. First name, models dot char field, and maximum length should be 30 characters. Last name is models dot char field, max length should be also 30 characters. Contact models dot integer field, email field, models dot email field, max length should be 50 characters, and age models dot integer field. This is our module that we implemented in models.py in our app. Then save it, then go to terminal, take a new terminal, cd, go to your own project cd. My project name is my project. Then take the following command to make migration on that. This command is used. Python manage.py make migrations. In which app and which module we can take migration? Student. Where student is, and which application student module is in my app. Then mention your app name. My app. Sorry, name contact is not defined. In module here we made a mistake, is equal to. Then save it, then apply the command once again. Create model student. Go to your migration file, then save it. Our module changed into like this in the migration. This is our module and the migration file. In the next video we will discuss how to make connection to the database, how to make connection to the Django and MySQL, and how to migrate to that specific module and to the specific database. Means the module we have created in this video will migrate in the database. That we will discuss in the next video. If you don't subscribe my channel till yet, then please subscribe it to know more about Django and to gain more information about Django. Thank you for watching this video.